Welcome to 8 Clarendon Crescent, one of Leamington's finest addresses, where we have this absolutely beautiful Grade 2 listed villa. It's so unique. At the rear we have a delightful garden and the Dell, which is a beautiful woodland area which is owned exclusively by these villas on the Crescent. The unique selling point of this property is it actually owns the island at the front, where we've got allocated parking. We've also got a garage. The property is in need of full renovation, so it offers a blank canvas for new owners to come in and create their own wonderful home. One of the unique and rare selling points of this beautiful home is the Dell. It backs onto the rear gardens of these fabulous homes and it's exclusive to them. You'd think you're in the middle of a countryside. You can hear the birds singing. It really is delightful. It's like your own little retreat, yet you're right in the middle of town. This really is a rare and exciting opportunity to acquire one of the most fabulous properties on one of the most desirable streets in Leamington, surrounded by this beautiful backdrop. If you'd like more information, please contact me on the details that follow. Thanks for watching.